Welcome to Engineering Simplified. Have you ever wondered how to calculate the slope of a straight line? In this video, you'll learn what the slope of a line is, how to use the slope formula, work through two fully explained examples, and then test yourself before we solve one together. The slope of a line tells us how steep a line is and in which direction it moves. It is the rate of change of y with respect to x. The slope of a line is calculated using the formula m equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. The formula simply compares the change in the y values with the change in the x values. Now let's solve our first example. We are given the points 2, 3, and 6, 11. Using the slope formula, subtract the y values first. 11 minus 3 equals 8. Next, subtract the x values. 6 minus 2 equals 4. Finally, divide 8 by 4. The slope is 2. What does a slope of 2 mean? A slope of 2 means that every time you move 1 unit to the right, the line rises 2 units. So the line climbs quite steeply from left to right. Now let's look at another example. This time our points are -2, 1, and 4, 7. Subtract the y values. 7 minus 1 equals 6. Now subtract the x values. 4 minus -2 equals 6. Finally, divide 6 by 6. The slope is 1. What does a slope of 1 mean? A slope of 1 means the line rises 1 unit for every 1 unit it moves to the right. In other words, the rise and the run are equal. Now it's your turn. Using the graph, find the slope between the points -3, 2, and 5, 8. Pause the video if you'd like a little more time. Let's work through it together. First, subtract the y values. 8 minus 2 equals 6. Now subtract the x values. 5 minus -3 equals 8. Finally, divide 6 by 8. 6 over 8 simplifies to 3/4, which is also 0.75. So the slope of the line is 3/4, or 0.75. What does a slope of 0.75 mean? It means the line rises 3 units for every 4 units it moves to the right. Because the rise is smaller than the run, the line is less steep than a line with a slope of 1. Let's quickly recap. To find the slope of any straight line, identify 2 points on the graph. Subtract the y values, subtract the x values, then divide the rise by the run. Remember, a positive slope rises from left to right. A negative slope falls from left to right. A slope of 0 is horizontal, and an undefined slope is vertical. Where is the slope of a line used? Engineers use slope when designing roads and ramps, drainage systems and pipelines, roof structures, and overhead power lines. Slope is also used in mathematics, physics, science, economics, and data analysis to measure how quickly something changes. The slope of a line is a simple idea with powerful real-world applications. Thanks for watching Engineering Simplified. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment with another maths topic you'd like me to explain. I'll see you in the next Engineering Simplified video.